Hi, in front of me is CAT S61 and today I would like to show you how you can customize keyboard theme on this CAT device. Start by going into settings. Now you need to scroll all the way down, go into system and tap on languages and input. Go into virtual keyboard and tap on your current keyboard, in my case Gboard. From here you need to choose theme and tap on the plus sign under my themes. Select a photo by clicking on it, then pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're done, tap next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right, tap done, and click on the switcher next to keyboarders to enable or disable them. When you're done, click apply. Now when I go back and try to access my keyboard, I can see that theme of it was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!